Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today is the last day of the EAS and it means it's the after park tour. So we're going to the Efteling and where we are now, Toverland. I'm standing right next to the Phoenix again. So we're going to do the Phoenix first and then I'll tell you more.
I still feel the roller coasters.
So now we're at the Flaming Feather and there's food, so I'm happy. After that, we're going to the Merlin's Quest. So I'm looking forward to that.
You want soup? I will grab it. Yeah?
The message. Dragon sweet. Dear Cauldron, let the quest be fulfilled. With magical wands, let us show the passengers this road.
Do you like the Merlin's Quest?
Oh, amazing. A lot of fun.
I think it's nice. It's nice. Do you like it?
Yes.
The Merlin's Quest.
This one? Yeah,
Yes.
I liked it.
Yes,
Yeah.
you like it? Okay. And this is your first time in Toverland, right? So you.
Is it in 12, 15 years or something?
Okay. And which place is the best place in the Phoenix?
All the way in the back left.
Yes. And I told him that. So I always listen to the roller coaster club. We've arrived at the Efteling and this is a really special park to me. This is like my childhood park and I love it to be here and to speak Dutch. It's really nice to speak Dutch every now and again. Now we're going to the VIP lounge over there, which is really cool because I've never been there before. Let's have a great time here. So now we're at the heart of the park and right in front of me is the newest addition of the park and it is the Symbolica. Really a beautiful attraction, but now we're going in via the back, which I've never done before, so this is really cool.
Punctueel. Tot uw dienst. Zu Ihren Diensten. À votre service. À vous service. At your service. Welkom in Symbolica. Het is van het allergrootste belang dat is
alle tovertwinkels. Hallo allemaal.
Pardoes, onze koninklijke tovenaar.
Wat een saaie boel zeg. Transito, culto, fabulu. Trage treden, open u. Entree, entree.
Don't listen to him. Listen to me.
Kom.
Blijf op het rechte pad.
So we're now going to the Vliegende Hollanders, or as they call it in English, the Flying Dutchman.
To see the places Let's find a hidden passageway.
Dan mag je nog wel neerzetten.
So now we're at the rooftop of the Efteling Theater, and it's really nice because from here we're going to see the Aquanura show, and I'll film it for you guys, and let's enjoy the show.